So I've got my dry ingredients in the bowl now. It's my granulated sugar and my meringue powder. I'm just mixing it with my hand because, even though these are edible ingredients, the sugar skulls aren't really meant to be eaten. They're really decorative, so, it's okay to do this with your hand. I'm just kind of mixing it up until it's nice and homogeneous, till you really kind of break up all the lumps in the meringue powder. And so that's my dry ingredients. Remember, you really can't do without the meringue powder. It's what's going to stick the sugar skulls together. Otherwise, they'll just fall apart. Okay, so remember, for about every cup of dry ingredients, you're going to need about between, a couple teaspoons to a tablespoon of water. But it's kind of an imprecise measurement, okay? Because there's a certain consistency and a certain feel of the mixture that you want to get to. So you really want to kind of play it by ear. So I'm just going to start with just kind of 4 sort of kind of maybe not entirely filled tablespoons of water. I'm just going to kind of put this right in. Another thing I should mention is that this is not a good activity to do on a humid day. There are a lot of things, a lot of, types of candy and other types of, frosting and baking, things that involve sugar and egg whites that really don't turn out well on a humid day. And sugar skulls are one example of that. But anyway, so I've got some water in there. I've got about 4 kind of tablespoons of water. They were sort of short tablespoons. I'm going to mix this with my hand, and I want to kind of get it to a consistency where it feels kind of like maybe moist sand at the beach, something like that. So I'm going to mix this up with my hand and see if I get the right consistency.